Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Geico mobile app for home and renters insurance in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so you know what, let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to download the Geico mobile app. Assuming you don't have it, just go to the App Store for iOS devices, or you can just go to the Google Play Store for Android devices and download the Geico mobile app. And once you have that downloaded on your device, go ahead and open that up and log into your Geico account. So just go ahead and do that with your username and password. And once you're logged into your account with the app, you can do a couple of things. The first is to view your policy details. So you can view your policy details, including coverage options and payments due dates, all on the Geico app. You could also access your digital insurance ID card. So that's pretty easy to do on the app. You could just browse around and check that out. You could also file a claim or report an incident on the app. It makes it a whole lot easier to do on the Geico app. And then you can also contact Geico's customer service. There's a tab for that. You can just go there and contact Geico's customer service team. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Geico mobile app for home and renters insurance in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.